Welcome to the third session on tenses and its rules. Today we are going to solve some exercises on present tense, past tense and future tense. But before that, did you watch my first two parts? Please do. It's on the channel videos, and please do like, share and click on the bell icon for more such videos. This is Sarini here, and I am here to help you understand tenses and its rules for cracking your competitive exams. Now let us see some exercises on the tenses that we studied so far in the first two parts. I am working for an insurance company. Error. I am working. How do you write the right sentence? I work for an insurance company. This is because we are using present simple for a permanent situation. You remember I told you for present simple we use facts or habitual conditions that we do every day. So I work for an insurance company is something habitual because he works every day. He goes to office every day. I work here since 2010. Error is I work because it is a time specific one. He is telling he has worked in the company since 2010. So the correct sentence is I have worked here since 2010. They are looking forward to go on vacation next year. Error is go. Correction, they are looking forward to going on vacation next year. This is because go becomes going because to is a preposition here, not part of the infinitive. We need the gerund form of the verb after a preposition. Exercises on past tense. Now you have to find error in the sentence. If there is no error, you can click on option D which says no error, option B which says for Bombay last Saturday, and option A that says my father. My father has left for Bombay last Saturday. Now please read the sentence once again and tell me if there is an error. My father has left for Bombay last Saturday. According to you, what is the error? Now let us see what the error could be. Answer is B. Why? Has left. But this has already happened in the past. Since he already left for Bombay last Saturday, we would use has. It is clearly mentioned that the activities of last Saturday. So we use simple past. So we use has. My father has left for Bombay last Saturday. So we do not use has here because this is already happened and it is of simple past tense. So I use my father left for Bombay last Saturday. Now let us see the second one. I used to study till 10 p.m. and then I go to bed. Option C, no error. I used to study is option A. Till 10 p.m. and is option B. And then I go to bed is option C. No error is option D. Which one do you think is right? Which one do you think is wrong here? Because you are supposed to find error corrections, not correct answers. So, error one is option C. No error. No, error is there. What is option C? And then I go to bed. No, used to is used for the past habitual action. So in part C, it will go to went. I used to study till 10 p.m. and went to bed. Okay. Now let us see one more. Air pollution caused by industrial fumes has been studied for years, but only recently has the harmful effects of noise pollution become known. What do you think the error is? Is it air pollution caused by industrial fumes has been studied? Or B option for years but only recently has? Option C, the harmful effects of noise pollution become known? Or D, error? Answer, what would be the answer B? We have for years but only recently has. The sentence is wrong because we use have instead of has as harmful effects of noise is plural. So we use after you written. So we'll use air pollution caused by industrial fumes has been studied for years but only recently use the harmful effects of noise pollution become known. Air pollution caused by industrial fumes has been studied for years, but only recently have the harmful effects of noise pollution become known. Let us see one example of future tense. Let us see which is the error in this. After you will return from Mumbai, I will come to meet you. Now, option A is given after you will. Option B is from Mumbai. I will come to meet you is option C and no error D. What do you think the error in this B? After you will return from Mumbai, I will come to meet you. After you return from Mumbai, I will come to meet you. Why future tense? So you don't have to use will here. What is this? We don't have to use will because it will not, will doesn't, we don't use will in time clause. I will go for swimming classes tomorrow if I have recovered from fever. I will go is the first option. For the swimming classes tomorrow is option B. If I have recovered from fever is option C and no error in option D. I will go for the swimming classes tomorrow if I have recovered from fever. What do you think the error is? C. If I have recovered is replaced by if I recover. Sentence of future beginning with if should be in simple present. What is the rule here? Sentences of future beginning with if should be in simple present. The new vaccination will help in prevent the disease to spread to other parts of the body. The new vaccination will help in prevent the disease to spread to other parts of the body. B is wrong because we replace prevent from preventing. We use the verb plus ing for all prepositions except to. This is the rule. So the new vaccination will help in preventing the disease to spread to other parts of the body. That's a right sentence. Thank you. I hope you don't have any doubts. But if you do, please comment in the below section. And also do like, share and click on the icon button for more videos.